Alright, so I have quite a few boxes from Sephora here, and I'm gonna unbox them all right now. So at the top we have samples, and I have an argan oil sample, an aqua bomb sample, and a hydrogel sample. So in this first box I have a little sample of the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC cream, and I'm really excited to try this. I'm gonna definitely make a video about it. Let's move on to box number 2. And the samples in this are the Kevyn Aucoin Supernatural Concealer, Algenist Liquid Collagen, and some more Josie Maran Argan Oil. And then the deluxe sample is the Living Proof Restore Smooth Blowout Concentrate. And it just looks like this. And then we have the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. And now onto box number 3. We have a Juicy Couture perfume, another Josie Maran Pure Argan Oil sample, and another Algenist Liquid Collagen. In this, the deluxe sample is the Cover FX Glitter Drops, and this is in the shade Mirage. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, it's very, very pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like really pretty glitter. And then I have an old eyeliner swatch on my hand as well. And then we have the Giorgio Armani Long Wear High Cover Foundation. And I'm really excited to try this. And it just looks like this. And now onto the last box, which is the heaviest. So we have a lot of samples in here. So we have 3 of the Miraggio Hair Care Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter. We have 5 more of the Josie Maran Argan Oil. Maran, I don't know how to say it. We have 4 more of the Algenist Liquid Collagen. We have a little sample of Dip Brow, a sample of Dr. Jart Water Fuse Ultimate Hydrogel, a sample of the Makeup Forever Waterproof Sensitive Eye Cleaner. We have 2 deluxe samples of the Marc Jacobs Shameless Youthful Look 24-Hour Foundation, and we have it in the shade Medium and Light. We have a sample of the Sephora Lash Craft Length and Volume Mascara. We have another sample of the Cover FX Glitter Drops in Mirage. And we have a sample of the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Primer. And then we have another shade of the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric. And then we have 2 shades of the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. And then we have the Tatcha Pore Perfecting Moisturizer and Cleanser. And then we have the Cora Organics brand Sensitive Skin Daily Ritual. It comes with a gentle cleanser, a calming lavender mist, and a soothing moisturizer. Alright, and that is everything. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe so you can see me test out all these products. Thanks for watching.